Dynamos, it's me, Miss Drass, back for more problem solving. Today we're going to solve comparing problems. So we're going to say that Miss Drass found 24 seashells at the beach. And Kennedy found 31 shells at the beach. And I want to know how many more shells Kennedy found than Miss Drass. I'm going to take some notes. Miss Drass found 24 shells at the beach. And Kennedy found 31 shells at the beach. And I want to know how many more does Kennedy have than Miss Drass? So I'm going to put Miss Drass on this side, and I'm going to put Kennedy on this side. And Miss Drass had 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 10, 15, 20, 24. And Kennedy had 31. That's 31. So I'm going to cross out what's the same. Miss Drass has 5. Kennedy has 5. 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 Miss Drass has 4. Kennedy has 4. So Kennedy has more, but how many more does she have? Kennedy has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more than Miss Drass. So if we take Kennedy's 31 shells and we take away Miss Drass's 24 shells, we'll be left with what's more, which is Kennedy's 7 that she has left over. Okay? Alright, we're going to say that Dylan H. went to the pet store and he bought 23 hamsters. I don't know what he was thinking, but he bought 23 hamsters. And then Cameron went to the store and he got 17 hamsters. I want to know how many less hamsters Cameron has than Dylan H. So Dylan H. went to the store and he got 23 hamsters. And then Cameron went to the store and he got 17 hamsters. And now I want to know, how many less does Cameron have? So I'm going to be comparing. So I'm going to put Dylan H here, and I'm going to put Cameron here. Dylan has 23. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. And Cameron has 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 makes 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right, I'm going to cross out what's the same. Dylan H has 5. Cameron has 5. Dylan H has 5. Cameron has 5. Dylan H has 5. Cameron has 5. Dylan H has 2. Cameron has 2. Dylan H has more. He has 6 more, so Cameron has 6 less. So the answer is 6. If we take Dylan's 23 hamsters and we take away the 17 that Cameron had, we'll be left with how many more Dylan has or how many less Cameron have, which is 6. If you got this box right, you can have a point. If you got this box right, you can have a point. If you got this box right, you can have a point. All right, we're going to say that Dylan C made cookies. And Dylan C made 19 cookies. And Miss Drass made 32 cookies. And I want to know how many more cookies Miss Drass made than Dylan C. So Dylan C made 19 cookies. And Miss Drass made 32 cookies. And I want to know how many more Miss Drass made. That's an R. How many more Miss Drass made than Dylan C? Since we're comparing, I'm going to put Dylan on this side, and I'm going to put Miss Drass on this side. Dylan had 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Miss Drass had 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Since we're comparing, I'm going to cross out what's the same. Dylan has 5. Miss Drass has 5. Dylan has 5. Miss Drass has 5. Dylan has 5. Miss Drass has 5. Dylan has 4. Miss Drass has 4. So this shows what Miss Drass has more of. She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. She has 13 more cookies than Dylan C. So if we take Miss Drass's 32 cookies and we subtract the 19 that Dylan has, we'll be left with how many more Miss Drass has. If you got this box right, you can have a point. If you got this box right, you can have a point. If you got this box right, you can have a point. Okay, we're going to say that Rice Krispie, my lizard, was eating worms. And Rice Krispie ate 21 worms. And Sergeant Tibbs was eating kitty treats. And Sergeant Tibbs ate 6 kitty treats. I want to know how many less kitty treats Sergeant Tibbs ate than Rice Krispie ate worms. So I'm going to take notes. So, whoa. Rice Krispie ate 21 worms, and Sergeant Tibbs ate 6 kitty treats. I want to know how many less did Sergeant Tibbs eat than Rice Krispies? So I'm going to draw Rice Krispie on this side. And I'm going to put Sergeant Tibbs on this side. Rice Krispie had 21 worms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Sergeant Tibbs had 6. Okay, I'm going to get rid of what's the same. They both have 5. And they both have 1. So this tells me how many more Rice Krispie ate, or it tells me how many less Sergeant Tibbs ate. 5, 10, 15. 15 is my answer. So if we take Rice Krispies' 21 worms, and we subtract the 6 treats that Tibbs had, it'll tell us how many less treats Tibbs had than Rice Krispie. She had 15 less. You got this box right, you can have a point. If you got this box right, you can have a point. If you got this box right, you can have a point. Okay, friends, you need to look for this problem-solving paper in your packet. It has a problem-solving mat on it, and it says, Kaylin built a spaceship using 14 Lego pieces. Jonathan built a spaceship using 21 Lego pieces. How many more Lego pieces did Jonathan use than Caitlin? Make sure you take notes, solve, write an equation, and an answer. Okay? See you guys later.